Alright, welcome to SQA number 12, I believe. We got a question by James8tg. James is asking for a GUI that when clicked will freeze apart. So the reason it's not working for him, and Mighty Guy didn't quite hit the nail on the head, it's actually FE that's causing the problem. The filtering enabled when that's on prevents clients from affecting the workspace and from replicating their stuff to the server without authorization. So that means that when you try to anchor it locally, the server doesn't care because it's not taking any shit from clients, so it's gonna say no. We need to make a remote event to do this. Let's go to replicated storage. Insert object remote event. We're gonna name this our anchor event. Cool. Now, in the local GUI, we still need to detect the click locally, so some of this will be held locally. Let's add a screen GUI, and let's add to that let's just do an image button, doesn't matter what it is. Put this in. Cool, I'm going to remove that image ID. And we're going to color it green. Cool. And so, script parent mouse button one click. It's going to pass to the anchor event. First we're going to say anchored equals false. Excuse me, that's going to start off anchored equals true. Anchored equals not anchored. We just want to flip that value, so if it's true it's false, if it's false it's true. And then we're going to send that to the remote event, so fire server anchored. And let's change the color of the GUI, so background color 3 equals color 3 from RGB 100, it's red. Oh, one sec, I made a mistake. If anchored is false, then otherwise, script parent background color 3 equals color 3 dot, oh, so I messed up in the above, give me a second. There we go. And I believe this should work flawlessly. Now we go to the server script service, add a script. We're gonna change the anchor of a piece that's not the base plate, just because I don't want to fall to my death. We'll name this the toggle. That's not really a toggle. That's like the subject. Unlock that business. And so we'll start it up here, just so we can see. We'll rotate a little bit so it like bounces around. There we go. It should land on a corner, do some flips for us. Alright, so now we need to say game replicated storage anchor event on server event. So when the client's like, yo, I want this thing to drop, if anchor is true, say the local subject is the workspace. Wait for child subject. Then subject anchor. You know what? We actually don't even have to say that. We can just say subject.anchored equals anchor. If it's false, it's false. True, true. Oh, sorry, I didn't connect this. There we go. Excellent. And so, let's see. Interesting, why is it white? Fire server is not a valid member. Oh, I didn't identify the event, my bad. Game replicated storage anchor event. Alright, let's see. Check that out. It's really cool. Cool. I just want to try that again because that was actually really fun. Rotate that. How far up can we go with it? Okay, cool. So I will post this code on your thread. I'm not going to take it to Pastebin because there's not enough, but this should be your answer. This will be in a local script in the starter GUI inside a button of some type. And this should be server code inside a server script inside the server script service. That's a mouthful. And then make sure you put a remote event named anchor event inside the replicated storage. Boom. All right, and you're good.